The first reading is from the book of Nahum, chapter 2. Nineveh, you are under attack. The power that will shatter you has come. Prepare the defenses, guard the road, prepare for battle. The enemy soldiers carry red shields and wear uniforms of red. They are preparing to attack. Their chariots flash like fire, their horses prance. Doomed is the lying, murderous city, full of wealth to be looted and plundered. Listen, the crack of the whip, the rattle of wheels, the jolting of chariots, cavalry troops charge, swords flash, spears gleam, corpses are piled high, dead bodies without number. Men stumbled over them. I will treat you with contempt and cover you with filth. People will stare at you in horror. All who seek you will shrink back. They will say, Nineveh lies in ruins. Who has any sympathy for her? Who will want to comfort her? The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Responsorial psalm is from Deuteronomy chapter 32. The Lord will take revenge and punish them. The time will come when they will fall. The day of their doom is near. The Lord will rescue his people when he sees that their strength is gone. He will have mercy on those who serve him when he sees how helpless they are. I and I alone am God. No other God is real. I kill and I give life. I wound and I heal, and no one can oppose what I do. That I will sharpen my flashing sword and see that justice is done. I will take revenge on my enemies and punish those who hate me. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew, chapter 16, verses 24 to 28. Then Jesus said to his disciples, If any of you want to come with me, you must forget yourself, carry your cross, and follow me. For if you want to save your own life, you will lose it. But if you lose your life for my sake, you will find it. Will you gain anything if you win the whole world but lose your life? Of course not. There is nothing you can give to regain your life. For the Son of Man is about to come in the glory of his Father with his angels, and then he will reward each one according to his deeds. I assure you that there are some here who will not die until they have seen the Son of Man come as King. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be to you, O Lord Jesus Christ.